Hi, welcome back to the Caribbean Seamoss Farms YouTube channel. So nice to have you here. I'm the Seamoss King, and today we are going to be showing you how to make Seamoss Gel using, of course, Caribbean Seamoss Farms Seamoss. You're going to need a scale, or at least you're going to need to be able to measure out at least a ½ ounce of sea moss. You're going to want a stir. You're going to want a pot that'll hold maybe 6 cups of liquid, and you're going to want 4 cups of water, and of course a bowl. Okay, so we're going to be pouring 4 cups of water. You can use spring water, you can use mineral water, you can use any kind of water you want. You can use tap water. That's 2 cups. 4 cups. Okay, so first stage is drop your ½ ounce of sea moss into the water. Leave it to soak for 15 minutes. Okay, so here we are. Sea moss has been soaking for 15 minutes. You can see the whiteness of it, the kind of ice whiteness. Now it's as simple as this, folks. You have 4 cups of water, ½ ounce of sea moss. We're going to pour this directly into the pot. Pour it into the pot gently, trying our best not to spill. You can see it in the pot here. This is a great pot for it. And you can just bring it to a simmer. We don't want it to boil. And here we have the sea moss. It's just beginning to simmer, all looking good. You can see it is all breaking apart. So we're stirring it gently. We'll just go on doing this for a bit longer because it helps it to dissolve fully. But you can see already it's you know, I'm trying to scoop it up here and I can only get little pieces. It's dissolving, folks, so this is looking really good. Yeah, here we're going to be straining it into this bowl. Remember, the liquid is what is a gel. The liquid is what we want to keep. So we're straining it in, and we're going to show you how to get rid of those chunks in a minute or two. Okay, so here we have the gel. We're just straining it, you know, gently through, or let's say draining it through the strainer into the bowl underneath. And you can see the gel. This is gel that has not been dissolved yet, but as mentioned before, we're going to show you easily how to get rid of this. And then, so we're going to show you now, this is the gel that's remaining, the thick gel, the clumps. That's it. This stuff down here is gel also. You can see it, it's really rich and thick. So then now to get rid of this, to make this, remember I told you I'd show you how to do it easily. You just gently do it with your spoon and you push it through. And I'll show you from the other side. When you push it through, this is what it comes through like. See, it really is just a thick gel. It's really broken up nicely. Okay, so what we're doing here now is we're going to be transferring the sea moss gel from our big bowl into our mason jar, just to show you what it looks like from the side. Let me stop right here for now, and then I'll hold it up. Remember, look at the top. We show you what it looks like from on top. You saw how smooth it was to pour in. We can show you from the side. See, it's really, you can see it already getting thick. It's going to surprise you, folks. Trust me, it's going to surprise you. You're going to see how much gel you get from a ½ ounce of sea moss. And that's all, people. It's as easy as that. A ½ ounce of sea moss, 4 cups of water, soak, simmer, strain and drain. If you like this video, pop on down below, subscribe, and absolutely, if you have any further questions, leave them in the comments and we'll address them in the more detailed version coming along soon. Thank you very much for watching and supporting. Do have a good day.